Machita namaklotman Orlando Pirates release 7 players apha kule January, just lo January nje release 7 players. Kule video zawujonga who is gone and why and what we can expect. You know, any point of these decisions and how can it benefit Orlando Pirates. 7 players. The latest one was Iwajonga, shock, but that's football, that's Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates will shock you with transfers. 7 players that I might forget to list. And also another reason for this video bafethu, but not sonke we always find indaba bone, because uzavela ubone ngabantu umuntu seyibuza like 3 months later ba siyabo uphubani ubani wayapi, hayibo wahamba. So not wonke umuntu yazibona indaba machita. So yeah, 7 players gone Pirates kulo January. Number 1 list, Sifiso Luthuli. Ndifuna uqala ngamagama machita who andifuna libala man. Sifiso Luthuli. Sifiso Luthuli is the number 9, the big striker, tall striker. Umchita ubedlala i-reserve sides the Orlando Pirates. Waqala wabaki DDC, score goals power back grand, but zangakwazi ubreaker into a first team. Wavaya waya ABC team, feeder team Orlando Pirates, pelepele abanye abantu bayazi ngelo gama. Yona usually the players that Pirates, every team, they can only have a certain number of players that can play in the DDC. In terms of age, mustn't be over 23, and also the number. They can still have some more talent. They also need to develop. They can't break into the first team. So now when you a team which is for Pirates team make EPC Motsepe, give 3rd division, Ipelepele, Wajalapa Ulutul. This season, before AFCON break, Pirates yagala the Winners' Cup, Black Label, Carling Black Label Cup, because the Pirates are winning Carling Knockout, by Carling All Stars. Anguluthuli bafite dlala phasha ayitoti umchita abekuthiwa ajonga luthuli ufikile uzo replace uMabasa, ajonga isukile. No coach nayo wathi I think wangqama ngothetha wathi ajonga asisafuna striker anymore. Sithola striker ngoku, but ke noba after ilawes season training na like camp babona ba okay umchita akabikho grand maka okanye nobu grand but akazudlala, akazustata every game. So makahamba yeke Magesi kwi-Magesi FC. Number 2 play Vaileyo, Mthengu Luthuli ne, and then uSiyabonga Dlozi, the defender yafumana debut yayo under Jose Riverio last season. Yadlala right back, yadlala na central defense. Akaqala vaya on loan, beke waba on loan, was it All Stars bedlala phi last season, bedlala NFT umchita before ambize Jose Riverio. So yeah, Luthuli nayo uvayile bafika defender. And then there's 4 more players who are more well known, Amachita, were also gone. And also before I continue, bafethu alone can have spectacular success, alone deals Machita. Examples, Thembi Kosiloch, what a success. One loan wangapana ngapha suka, I think from Orbit College, what hlalini season Orbit College, ABC Motsepe Joe, wathi Cape Town All Stars umchita, wathi Chippa United. Where is Lodge now and what did Lodge do? Legend Orlando Pirates. Arguably even a legend Bafana Bafana, because of Bofo came out legend Bafana Bafana, but in moment iconic Bafana Bafana, la goal let's go now. And then Jonga wins the Club World Cup for a Wydad. Yeah, Thembi goes. So loan deals doesn't mean by okay player as back grand I not future in la Machita. That's I born in the video, but obviously except as Bugela. But except Machita Maspana Machita. Because I'm going to watch another success story, same club Orlando Pirates, Monapula Salem, Pirates Yamlanda, I say Free State Stars. Yamchi Loan Swallows. Jonga ngoku. yambiza. Look at Monapole Saleng. Okay, Sundowns by the way. So it goes back to he's the next one on the list. He plays Amileo. Saleng is gone to Sundowns by too. So that's 3. Number 4, Tshegofatso Mabasa. Wow, Mabasa, Stellenbosch on loan. Okay, siyazi bazikhiphani pha mos bafethu. La out intswembu but ekse indaba zi-tactically eziba okay uRivero wangamdlalisi umjita plus nangoku wathi wangamdlalisi. Otherwise striker that can put the ball in the net, uyakwazi unayi timing, uyakwazi position, uyakwazi score. But Mabasa tactically this more because as coach they want to press from the front, they want to defend from the front, they want a striker to make a lot of runs into the channels, a right channel like a left channel, and Mabasa doesn't do that. So it's gone against Stellenbosch. Kevin Hunt doesn't care, but obviously Kevin Hunt uyangala uba hey bethu Mabasa mnani ngixesha lo uyiba ndifuna ube upressor defender from the front, ube ubaleka ungena two channels, ube uleqe left back ne right back usi striker. Hlala pha score goals Kevin Hunt uthi makazwakala umsayinile uMabasa. Mabasa naye wayivayile way on loan futhi bafethu Sekhukhune washaya goals, waya kwi-Swallows washaya goals, Pirates aphinda ambiza. Next number zingaphi players bizileyo ngozi 5 ne 2 more players vayile Pirates. Sinoxolo Kwayiba is gone, uvayile uboleka iChippa United, unsuccessful signing. It happens in football bafethu. Football i-flop deals ziyenzeka. You don't know by sejonge players of be success up kafike up. Sinoxolo Kwayiba did not make it Orlando Pirates. Uboleka iChippa United on a permanent deal, ayiyo ne loan deal. Now I had my doubts for Pirates ayisana bafethu ifisa ngivaba hayi Kwayiba apha kiChippa mfethu like own form nje kancane. Yeah, i-recruitment Pirates iyayenza leyo intswemba fit, but sometimes iyahayiza. Kwayiba's gone. And then last player on my list, Evile Orlando Pirates. What a player, what a story. Mbikezeli Mbogazi Evile, Johnny Chicago Fire, MLS Mbogazi bafethu. He only played bafethu 8 to 9 months machita as a professional player at Orlando Pirates. 8 to 9 months bafethu. Sakhumbula umjita yo Mbogazi khawulezile mfethu career yakhe umjita udlala okanti ngoku. What a player, what a story. Awutswembu kuchiyo bafethu. Mawulazi la xa uyazi disco yazi xa umnandi kuchiyo bafethu. Ngoba okay jonga yafika eThekwini una 19. Udlala la out bafethu bidlala i3rd division Mosman. Okay, no, he was not even playing in the 3rd division. Madlala ABC Motsepe la mjita. Mbogazi bedlala ngathi SAB League, like 4th or 6th tier South African football. La langa libalele academy KZN. Wabona iPirates edlala under 19 tournament. La Pirates Cup under 19. Le bambona noMofokeng kuyo. Pirates nale under 19 Cup, and the under 19 Cup obviously Pirates iyenza for ufumana i-players ezintsha for i-DDC. Pirates clever. So Pirates every year bafethu xa ifuna i-players ezintsha for i-DDC, because Pirates mos ayisenayo mos i-academy machita. Yayivala academy yayo. I-development Pirates iqala ku-DDC. Plus ne bekhona le team development team ABC Motsepe. So Pirates ngoku yabani under 19 Cup, in the under 19 Cup 20 players be new players at DDC. So Mbogazi yawafika phakula level like isizini 1 DDC. What it Betway Premiership, and look what he did. Bafana International, AFCON. Yeah, Mbogazi bafethu now is the 7th player ever in Orlando Pirates. Signing Chicago Fire. What a story, what a player. So ezinye players apha zi-released, ezinye players leyo Mbogazi i-deal sayiniwe thengisiwe, yena Mbogazi plus Mosaleng bathengisiwe, and then amanye amathitha releasiwe. And ibalulekile lawo i-grand the way it helps Orlando Pirates bafethu you to release players ezingazodlala bafethu. I expand i-grand lawo because if you keep players on the bench in the stands, players zizawufuna reason for amachita. azafeel resentment, and nawe iyakwazi uspreader ingene kumanye amajita iphela ingena dressing room, and then affect ilanduza team spirit yakhona, understand, and the players don't develop. If it's a player doesn't improve bafethu if ayidlali, understand. So Pirates, big up for yona wekrang lenzayo ba okay, release the players man, suthi players engazodlala apha. Pirates will benefit next season. Another success story alone uThabiso Sesane ubuya for injury ngoku wadlala a few seasons captain mo Stars, and then anembonile bawo enjani bafethu ngoba edlala before abe injured. So Buccaneer 7 players gone in 1 January transfer window. Nazo bafethu nicinga noma bafethu ngeziwini na players evayileyo, Mabasa nicinga ntoni ngaye, lamajita loan loluthuli nicinga ntoni, uSaleng to Sundowns. Amasinqolo i-comments bafethu, ngicela ngale balo support channel, shaya ulike okanye usubscribe. Bulela bafethu, mojo.